This is just a quick video to show the location of the blower motor resistor on a 2001 Kia Sephia. This is my daughter's car, and you can see from underneath that the blower motor is located right next to the resistor, and the resistor is at the very forward edge of the dash right below the glove box. So I'm using my forward-facing camera for this, but that's the outside view. This is the part that I got for about $25. And then here's the symptom that led to all this. You can see that the blower is on full speed at the high setting and then completely shut off at every other setting. So that's where it's located. Good luck. So this was kind of interesting. When I took the old part out, you can see that both of these soldered connections are no longer attached to the circuit board. They're both up as if they were springs. So clearly some defective condition in the part that I'm replacing. I just installed the new blower motor resistor, and now fan works on every speed. And the way that you get to that resistor is just by dropping the glove box down. So you have these triangular panels that flex inward, and these rubber bumpers here on the other side fit into these triangular sockets inside the dashboard to hold the glove box up. So you just squeeze those in, fold the glove box down, and then you drop these two screws that are in the panel to make the entire glove box come off. And then the blower motor is sitting right there up underneath, just below this panel.